Okay, so my desk is really dark, but yeah, today we're gonna fix that. So yeah, just clear a little space, and we're good to go. So these are what I'm gonna use today. Got them on Amazon a couple of years ago. No idea what wattage they are, how many lumens, or anything about them. They're just what I got around. Okay, so to go along with the light pads, I got a couple of these power bricks, wall warts. I hoard them. And yeah, there's, I don't know, 2 dozen, some odd number. So the plan is cut the ends off these and then just oh shit, I guess I gotta rectify it too. Okay, so I was looking for a camera tripod to do a time lapse with. Set this up while I'm building, and I have no idea where it is. So I went and asked my dad. He said it was probably down with the trailer, so that's where I'm heading right now. Yeah, let's see if it's in there. Okay, apparently it's in here. That's dark, but one of these containers. Okay, so not in there. Next place. Okay, so no tripod today, but I did find a little shitty stand for it. It's about 4 inches tall. It'll have to do. So, yeah, I'm dumb. Right there, DC output. I don't know what I was thinking. It'll be a lot easier though this way. Okay. Little snip snip. Never heard anything except that. I'll save it for later in case I need it. Yeah. Put these down. Grab tools. I'll go big. That worked. I think it was big though. It's probably what? 20 gauge? Yeah, that's not enough. Yeah, I used these strippers as pliers and some hydrochloric acid when I was cleaning some jewelry. It messed up the finish, safe to say. Still work though, kinda. A little rusty, but what can you do? I should put heat shrink on. Am I going to? Yes. And I should put bigger stuff on too. Okay. I'll split that. Who cares? You can just tape it together again. White should be negative. I'm gonna double check. Okay, so allegedly striped white is positive. Kind of backwards from AC, but whatever. Just put these bad boys on. Put this bad boy on this guy. Probably can't see that, can you? Yeah, no. Okay, should test this before I turn it on, or before I solder it. A little Western Union. That bad boy done up. Okay, I think it's safe to say, don't do what I'm doing, ever. It's not safe, it's not certified, it will not pass code. Insurance probably won't cover you if you burn your house down either. I'd call that a success. Sorry for the bad angle. That's all I got. Okay, this little area here is my soldering station. Electronic bench. There's a couple projects on the go. Okay, that's heating up, and I'll be back when it's done. I didn't realize how bright that was when it was shining in the lens. It pretty well darkened everything else. And that is that. Soldering is done. Plug in my hot air gun. Hot air station. Give this a second to cool down, and then we'll heat shrink this bad boy. Oops. It's only 500 degrees. No biggie. But yeah, it looks actually pretty good. So yeah, that's how I made this little filming light out of parts I had laying around. Next, I'll make a stand to fit in there, or maybe not a stand, but some kind of mount that I can rig up and have nice lighting instead of this shitty ass lighting I got right now. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. If not, I'd appreciate some constructive criticism. And yeah, give me a subscribe, and you'll see more videos kind of like this. We'll see what comes out. Have a good one.